from MW 300,000 RPM blower to clean up your area. It is a USB-C compliance. Takes up to a couple hours, 3 hours to fully charge. On the unit, you have 4 soft white lights. It's a long press to turn on. It is on with a variable speed of 0 through 300,000 RPMs. We're going to take a wide nozzle, snap it on, and raise up the volume. That is 300,000 RPM. Lower it down to 0. We're going to show you what the product can do. I'm already in the on position and I want to clean my air duct. Clean my vents. I have here is a bag that I need to inflate. I just simply hold and blow. This area can suck out the air. Well, you got a turbo cleaner to blow out the dust. And a protective area so it doesn't clog up. And when the unit runs down, it needs to be recharged. This is a 300,000 RPM blower. Check out the blower if it's right for you. I hope you enjoy your product.